So I'm sitting outside in this car and it's 87 degrees, waiting on my client, and it's so much drama going on here. It's ridiculous that the homeowner is like right across the street and he know I'm sitting out here. He won't even get out of his, or well, should I get off his fat ass and come let me in the house, knowing it's hot out here. I think this whole fucking community is freaking racist. Seriously. And it's ridiculous. But the neighbors beside them are pretty cool. You know, they talked to me, communicated a little bit, let me know she had been here. But I wasn't due here till 3 o'clock, and I got here, I pulled up at 3:03. So technically I wasn't late until what? I got 5 minute grace period, 15-minute grace period, so I wasn't late. Well, with that being said, I hope she pull up pretty soon, because I'm sweating. See? Bad, and it's nasty. And I gotta be here for 18 hours again for day 3. It's kind of stressful, but I got all my paperwork I need to move. Yay me! So, well, it's just a matter of time for everything to get done. We on this new adventure in life, supposedly. But it's hot. I'm tired. I want to go home. I have nobody to talk to, so the next thing I can do is talk to the camera. Um, my mother was on the phone with me till like 4 o'clock in the morning, so I know she not woke. Well, she probably woke, but she probably going back to sleep now too, cause she a little crazy. But well, I guess that's the end of my conversation to myself. It's gonna be okay. Love you, myself. Peace out.